I want to tell you a very nice story about our new ad, and there are 7 interesting things about it. When we met the customers, the first interesting thing was everyone wanted to save for their child. It was almost as if the child sees a star and dreams for it, and the father takes the child on his shoulders and lets the child achieve the star. But the second interesting point was that while everyone wanted to save for their child's dream, they were doing it in their own way. So there were some people who said, whatever I save is for my child, मैंने जो कुछ भी किया मेरे बच्चे का है. And then there were others who were putting aside some money. And that is where we found one commonality amongst everyone. While all parents were saving, the savings were dependent on the parent. So if you stop, savings stop. And that's the third interesting point. Savings stop if you stop, but the need for education, that does not stop. So this was the third interesting point. And at this point in time, we made them a small suggestion. So we said, save sure, but save smart. There is only one plan, a child insurance plan, which keeps on saving even if you are not there. So as you are saving smart, give some portion of your money to such a child plan. This was the next interesting thing. When we said this to them, they all appreciated the benefit very much. In fact, people came and asked us, how can we buy such a plan? But you know the next interesting thing? While most of them were very happy with this feature, they did not know about it. It was at this time when we felt that it is our duty to tell them about the plan. And this is when we decided to make an ad around it. The next interesting point was how to say about it. So we asked them, what is the right message in which you will understand this? And they told us a very simple way of saying this is, company will pay the premium so that policy does not stop. And if policy does not stop, education does not stop. That was where we got our message about company will pay the premium. And that is the core message in our new ad. So we went ahead and we made TV ads around it. The TV ads are around a family, about an elder brother and a younger brother. The younger brother has bought a policy and he is talking to the elder brother about it. The elder brother gets angry. He says, no, I am not there or something. And finally the younger brother is able to convince him, and the story ends in a very pleasant note where ICICI Prudential Child Plans are like a family which take care of your child if you are not there by paying premiums. But the most interesting thing about this entire ad story is about you. I assure you, if you go to any parent and tell them about this benefit, the parent will thank you. The parent will thank you and the children will thank you, because it is a plan which is truly meant to help the parents and the children so that their future dreams are never compromised. They will say thank you and I will say thank you. Thank you.